Hi everyone, so today I'll be showing you how to make a cookie for 1 minute only. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of milk, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and then 1 tablespoon of butter. And then, mix lang natin. Ooh. So now I'll be using my hands to mix it. Oh. Okay, I'll be adding chocolate mint flakes. Here you go. And then let's get a parchment paper. Okay, let's put this in our parchment paper. Lagay natin, let's put the cookie dough on the center of the plate, and let's just press our cookie. And then let's put this in our microwave for a minute. Okay, let's wait for a minute. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! And our cookie is cooked. Okay, to prove talaga na luto na yung cookie natin is I'm going to cut this into half. Oh, so hot. Ah, it is so hot. Maybe this will help. Okay. Ta-da! Yep. Our cookie is cooked. This is 1 minute cookie using your microwave. Microwave. But I suggest eat this one when it's cooler. Yep. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.